Crash Course on Australian Geography, an overview of Australia's geography, including its diverse landscapes, climate zones, and natural resources. Certainly, I would be happy to provide a crash course on Australian geography. Australia is the world's sixth largest country by total area and consists of a diverse range of landscapes, climates, and natural resources. Overview. Australia is situated in the southern hemisphere and is surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The country is divided into 6 states and 2 territories. The capital city is Canberra, while the largest city is Sydney. Australia is known for its unique flora and fauna, such as the kangaroo, koala, and the eucalyptus tree. The landscapes of Australia are as diverse as they are breathtaking. From the rugged terrain of the Great Dividing Range to the vast, arid outback, the continent boasts some of the most unique landscapes in the world. The coastline stretches for over 36,000 kilometres and includes some of the world's most famous beaches such as Bondi and Surfers Paradise. Australia is home to a variety of climate zones. The northern regions of the country are tropical, with hot and humid conditions during the wet season. The southern regions experience 4 distinct seasons with hot summers and cool winters. The arid interior experiences extreme temperature fluctuations, with hot dry summers and cold, frosty winters. Australia's natural resources include coal, iron ore, natural gas, and gold. The mining industry is a significant contributor to the Australian economy, with mining operations located throughout the country. Interesting stories or examples. One of the most iconic natural landmarks in Australia is Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. This massive sandstone rock formation is located in the Uluru-Kata-Juta National Park in the Northern Territory. Uluru is sacred to the indigenous Inangu people and is believed to have spiritual significance. Climbing the rock is now prohibited to respect its cultural significance. Another fascinating aspect of Australia's geography is the Great Barrier Reef. Located off the coast of Queensland, this is the world's largest coral reef system and is home to a diverse range of marine life, including hundreds of species of fish, sharks, and turtles. Unfortunately, the reef is under threat due to climate change and other human activities. Top 12 Interesting Australia's Geography. 1 Great Barrier Reef, world's largest coral reef system. 2 Uluru, iconic sandstone rock formation in the outback. 3 Kakadu National Park, largest national park in Australia, known for its wetlands and unique flora and fauna. 4 Sydney Harbour, one of the world's most beautiful natural harbours, featuring the iconic Opera House and Harbour Bridge. 5 The Great Ocean Road, a stunning coastal drive along the southern coast of Victoria. 6 The Blue Mountains, a rugged mountain range near Sydney, known for its scenic views and hiking trails. 7 The Kimberley, a remote and rugged region in Western Australia, known for its stunning gorges and waterfalls. 8 The Nullarbor Plain, a vast, flat, and arid region in Western Australia. 9 The Whitsunday Islands, a group of islands located off the coast of Queensland, known for their pristine beaches and turquoise waters. 10 The Daintree Rainforest, a lush, tropical rainforest in far north Queensland, home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. 11 Lake Hillier, a bright pink lake located on Middle Island in Western Australia. 12 The Pinnacles, a unique natural wonder in Western Australia, featuring thousands of limestone pillars rising from the desert. In summary, Australia is a vast and diverse country with a unique geography. From the rugged outback to the stunning coastline and lush rainforests, there is something for everyone to explore. The natural resources of Australia have played a significant role in its economy, while its flora and fauna have captivated visitors from all over the world. Australia's geography also has a rich cultural significance, with many natural landmarks being of spiritual importance to the indigenous peoples of the land. Now, to end this article, I would like to present a poem about the fascinating geography of Australia. The land down under, so vast and grand. A beauty to behold, a wondrous land. From Uluru's red glow to the Great Barrier Reef. Australia's geography will leave you in disbelief. The rugged outback, a harsh and arid place. With vast stretches of desert and little space. But hidden among the sand and heat. A hidden gems, a true natural feat. The Great Ocean Road, a winding coastal drive. With stunning views that will make you feel alive. And the Blue Mountains, a rugged range so grand. With trails to hike and vistas to command. The Kimberley's gorges and waterfalls so fine. A remote region where nature reigns divine. And the Whitsunday Islands, with beaches so pure. Where turquoise waters will leave you in awe for sure. Australia's geography, a land of extremes. From tropical forests to the desert's gleams. A land of wonder and a place to explore. A geography like no other, we can't ignore. *****, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Australia has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Australia, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.